Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter the safe mode on your Nothing Phone 3A Lite smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods of how you can enter the safe mode, and the first one will work if you have access to your touch screen, if your device isn't frozen or anything. In such case, you can press power button and volume up key at the same time to open the power options menu. Then hold your finger down on power off option until you see reboot to safe mode notification on your screen. Tap OK and wait until your device is restarted. Once it's restarted, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now let's wait for this to happen. And when you see the safe mode indicator, that means that you are in a safe mode and all the background activities and applications are disabled here. To reboot back into normal mode, press the same two buttons again, so power button and volume up key, and select restart. And now I'm going to show you how to access the same mode without using your touchscreen at all. So, in order to do this, you're gonna have to force restart your device first. To force reset your device, enable your device's screen. You don't have to unlock it, just enable it by pressing the power button once and then hold down power button and volume up key at the same time and wait until your device goes until your device's screen goes dark, and then release both of these keys. And once the Nothing logo appears on the screen, start holding the volume down key by itself. Just keep holding it, and at some point your device will turn on and you will see safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's display. And here we are. And to exit this mode, just like before, we have to press power button and volume up key at the same time, select restart, and wait until our device is rebooted into the normal mode. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.